What's up? Welcome back, fellow peeps from the YouTubers channel, the YouTubers channel. We over here working on this Accord. This guy, Mr. Torque Monster right here, he put a crack, well, not even a crack, he split his flex plate. So therefore, when the engine spins, it's no longer spinning the transmission because the flex plate where you put the 8 or 9 bolts, it had a crack going all the way around it. It split it, so we have to pull off the transmission, change the flex plate, and now we're going back in. We putting the transmission back in right now. I'm not able to hold the camera and do it because all hands on deck. My eyes is burning for some odd reason. That's good. We can't find it. You take one to Home Depot or something, match it up, we get another one.
I don't really need it anyway.
Yeah, so we got this Accord right here. Like I say, put this transmission in. Hey, what is this? What thing is? CG6 or 4? CG4, one of them. But take a look right here. You can see where we just lined up the transmission. Got some screws started them by hand. Got these started by hand. All I gotta do is this jack, just pump it up a little bit, and it'll line up this transmission. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. And cause it's hot out here. It's a little overcast, but it's pretty hot out here. So we gonna get back to work. I just want to show the YouTubers what we up to today. You know, we got the I got the Integra S2K. He got his Accord. He also just bought him a what is this bad boy? I forgot what it was. TLX, something like that. Oh, TL. Yeah, just got him a new TL. So, you know, we're gonna be doing work on this later on. You know what we do? We slam them to the ground. It's like it ain't gonna be that low, but we gonna put. He already bought some wheels. He just want to get his coilovers and lower it before he put his wheels on. So let me get back to work, man. I talk too much.
But this one goes here.
Okay.
This is gonna hit the O2 sensor.
Okay.
Color coded brown and black, like my ass.
Oh. Can we
yeah, look, you can see this.
Nah, I was just
too much for YouTube content.
Oh yeah.
So make sure you guys will mix it out because there's just 2 browns, 2 blacks.
Yeah.
The shorter one, they go right here. So the black one goes here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, right there it is. The click. The brown one right here. Clickety clack.
Clickety clack.
Now see these 2 short ones right here. One right here. Brown one right here.
Gonna get it in.
Black one right here.
Black one right there.
Now these 2 black, this one goes right here. I believe this will be the sensor.
Oh, it's gonna be a sensor.
There she is. Then there goes the other for the bottom.
And that's it.
And that's it. Then this one is for the starter. And there's more back here to go.
Yeah. Oh, your brother got good memory. I know some of them for the distributor. And it's more sensors back there on the transmission.
Yep, sir.
Yeah, there's one back there.
So this one goes to this one here.
Okay, you got that.
This big white one goes to this big other white one right here / gray one. There she goes.
Boy, got
and
good
then
memory,
there's one more over here.
One more over there.
See the green one over there?
Yeah. It's one tucked in there, that green one. Yeah, there it go.
So let's see real quick.
What's wrong, mama?
That goes there.
You want daddy? Say hi. Say hi, YouTubers. Oh.
And this one right here though. This one was a bitch to remove. Let me tell you that right now.
You got it though?
Yeah, give me a minute real quick. Get in there real quick. Get this hose.
Yeah. So YouTubers, this is what year is this? 2000? 01?
02.
02. This is the 02 Accord 2-door coupe. And we throwing this transmission back in there. And this dude, that's his hoopty. He got good memory. He took it all apart. I came to help him pick up this monster transmission and line it up.
3 months ago. I need to go from the bottom.
Okay. Yeah, so the other ones we go for the bottom. We got to throw the axles and all these goodies in. So let me get to work. Cause all right, we almost done. We got the electrical connections hooked up. We tightened, torqued down all the bolts. Now I'm about to put the starter on. This man right here broke his radiator in the process, so he already got another one. We go put the other radiator on, put the distributor on, And we should be about ready to fire this thing up. We can't keep it running too long because he don't have no oil in the transmission. And what else we need to do? Oh, the radiator ain't hooked up. We don't have no water in the engine, so can't keep it running too long. So let me get this not transmission, I'm tripping. The starter hooked up, and then I show y'all I'm all out of breath. I can't even talk, man. What's wrong with me? Help me! All right, here we go, man. We got everything hooked up. Put the starter on. I think he got a dead battery. It won't start?
I disconnected it.
Oh, okay. All right, don't worry about it. So we already hooked up the his battery's dead from sitting. This car been sitting for how long?
Like 4 months, 5 months.
4-5 months been sitting, so the battery dead. We had jumped it with the TL. It fired up. I just wanted to show y'all we know what we doing. But anyway, we got the transmission in there, all the lines hooked up. Distributor, spark plug wires, but we had one problem. Hercules over here was trying to put the bolts in the flex plate. He put a screwdriver in here to keep the cam gear, well, to lock the engine, so he can torque down those flex plate bolts. Come to find out, when he had the screwdriver in here and he trying to torque the flex plate bolts, he jumped at least 2 or 3 teeth on the timing belt. So we hooked up the transmission, fired this thing up. Sounded like a dirt bike. So I came over here and looked, and I'm like, man, it looked like you out of timing, homie. Your cam timing was off. So we loosened the tensioner down there, took the belt off, put the cam back in timing, put the belt back on, tightened the tensioner, fired this thing up, and it sounded like a Honda again. So it's all good now. We back in business. I'll go let y'all hear this thing. Plus it's open exhaust because we haven't put on the rest of the bottom. Got the subframe over there leaning against the wall. But it's a job well done. How you feel about yourself? You got another one. Your car is back. It's back.
I'm buying another one, tell you that right now.
Oh, you gonna get another one?
Another one.
A manual?
Yes, sir.
All right, I hope so. I'm gonna hold you to that. We got it on tape.
For real, man.
We got it on tape. So we gonna finish putting this thing back together and hopefully, maybe, fire this thing up before I leave back home, and I'll be able to show y'all, you know, how it went and all that. So but yeah, this is the Accord. We almost done, y'all. We almost done. Let me get back to it. All right, we putting transmission fluid in it. We gotta jump start it again. See how this thing go. Go ahead, fire this wreck up. I thought you put the exhaust on it. Oh. Alright, so it's running. You did a good job. We gotta put the transmission fluid in it, but we all know, or don't know, you gotta do that with the car running. So we're gonna let it run for a minute, put the transmission fluid in, and we'll get back. It hurt my ear. Alright, let's put the... No, you gotta leave it running. It's my beautiful wife, y'all. Aww. But anyway, we finished with this here Accord, and everything he got to do now. She's just changing the brakes, and we was gonna put the transmission fluid in, but he wanted to reuse his old transmission fluid. And as we was pouring it, we seen it had water contaminants. The color changed, so I told him to stop pouring, go get some new one, some new oil, because you don't want to be pouring transmission fluid in your car, and you can see it has water in it. So that's it. Pour the transmission fluid in, set the car on the ground. I don't know if you can see that, but he just put those rotors on. Yeah, just put those rotors on right there, and we done, man. So hope y'all liked the video. Catch y'all on the next one. God bless, and take care.